This is the Cold Steel Kukri Machete, one of the cost-effective outdoor tools on the market today. The reason why I call it a tool is there's various things you can add or modify on the blade that will change it, or that will even relate to a tool. Let me give you some examples. First of all, you can sharpen just the edge, so you can see that only the point there has been sharpened, so about 1 centimeter, maybe 1.5 centimeter, and then the rest of the blade you keep normal machete or axe sharp, and then from about here again towards the end there, make it knife sharp again. So two things that can happen in there. First of all, you can choke open the blade on finer cuts. I specifically use this to cut open plastic bags with wood in it. That's one of the things I use it for. And then over here you can also choke open the blade and use it for finer work, whatever that may be. The third thing people modify on this blade, which I have not done, is they add a 90-degree angle here with a file. This will allow you to start a ferro rod with it, use a ferro to start fire with it. Works very well. The only negative thing I would have on this blade is the handle. It can cause some hot spots. But again, the solution there is, and actually what can be used for most machetes and chopping work, is to add a lanyard, make sure you have the right length, and then you just turn it around like this, and then grip on the handle. This allows you to have a loose grip on the handle. It reduces the hot spots on your hands, as you can loosely grip the handle, and obviously the machete won't fly off. That is basically the only things that you can do that's worthwhile doing from what I've seen so far. This knife retails for 848 Rand, and for that price you get cold steel quality built into a budget-friendly knife.